Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best variable spread Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. One of the most crucial things that traders must consider when comparing and evaluating brokers is the spreads and commissions that the broker charges. Spreads offered by brokers can either be variable, floating, or fixed. The type of spread that traders will be comfortable with will depend on individual traders and their trading style. Variable spreads are the difference between the buy and sell price of a currency or Forex pair, which fluctuates in a range. These spreads are often subjected to the currency pair and market conditions and may shift should such conditions change. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best variable spread Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best variable spread Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. At number 4 on our list is XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own Educational Resource Center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Exness Limited, is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECM, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best variable spread Forex brokers, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best variable spread Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.